With over a population of 1.6 million people, Belgrade is the capital and largest city of Serbia. It is also one of the most continuously inhabited cities in the world. Located where the Sava and Danube rivers meet, Belgrade has a great transportation system, many historical monuments, and beautiful buildings. Join us on this journey as we take you through this stunning city, showcasing its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking beauty. In this video, we will visit Republic Square, the Stephan Nmanja Statue, Kensington Park and Belgrade Fortress, the Tesla Museum, Saint Sava Church, an incredible boat ride down the Danube River, the Golobec Fortress, and some fantastic food and great times with fellow nomads. Get ready to enjoy our tour of Belgrade, Serbia.
Well, we're here at the bus station and we're getting ready to load our bus from Niš to Belgrade, Serbia. So it's about a 3-hour trek. Come with us.
It's a great city vibe here. There's a lot of cafes and restaurants in the area here. Right in the center is a statue of Prince Mihailo. At 22 meters high, this is the tallest and most grandiose monument in Serbia. As we traverse around the statue, the pedestals feature different depictions of the prince's life in Serbian history during his reign. As we head to the fortress, you can see coming into Kensington Park. It's like a art display. These gates are pretty solid. It's actual wood planks covered with sheet metal and riveted in. You can tell those rivets are pretty solid, probably 10 centimeters or 1 inch. See if I can get a view on the side here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, wood planks covered in wood. Pretty heavy.
So it's a bit of an overcast day here at the Belgrade Fortress. Um, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We'll have to come back up here, but we did want to capture this on video. Right here is the spot where the Sava and the Danube rivers meet. And of course, the Danube River, pretty much everybody knows about, travels through about 10 countries. So, but it's an absolutely breathtaking view up here, and you can't beat the aerial view as well across the city. So good morning. We are waiting here at the Hotel Prague, waiting for our transport to the Golubac Fortress. So come with us. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. So come with. One of the impressive ways of coming up to the fortress is by speedboating on the Danube River.